Hello and welcome to today's walking tour. We are at the X10 in Khao Lak. Date of filming is the third week in June. Never stayed at this hotel before, so I've just been chatting to reception and they just said I can have a little walk through. So here we go. It's not a room review, it's just to give people just an overview of the accommodation, what it looks like and what to expect if you're staying here. If you do like these little walkthrough videos, I do appreciate a like and subscribe. It does help my channel. It would be a big favour to the channel. So let's just have a walk through. So this is the first pool area as you walk past reception. Swim up rooms, and then we have a children's area here. And just beyond that we have another pool which is that way, which I will walk to on the way out, with another children's pool with a children's slide. This is your restaurant in this building here. Just heading towards the sea. Just by the immediate look of the place, it seems to be heavily geared towards children. Family resort. This looks like the main pool area over here. Just looking back where we came from. We are into low season now, so the hotel's very quiet. Just chatting with the reception before coming in. We're explaining that it's low season and you can expect rates for a room for 2,600 baht per night. That is for 2 people including breakfast. Now these are obviously low season rates, that will be reflected in the price. The weather's a little bit hit and miss this time of year. I don't know whether you've been watching any of the other videos I've done, but it's been absolutely blistering sunshine, or it's been torrential rain. There we go, that's a big view of the pool all the way around. Swim up bar. I'll just see if I can get around the back of here and just get to the beach. So we've got massages going on here, next door. There you go. Any view. I should imagine most sunbeds will be laid out here during high season. Sea looks nice and calm today. There we go. That's a nice bit of coastline. Ooh. Still quite strong to see. The red flags are out. They're out for a reason. That tide is quite strong. Okay. Even though the sun's not out, it's still in the 30s today, so it's quite warm still. Beach bar and grill. You want to freeze frame that for the prices of the bar? That's what else we've got. And the last one. So just give that a freeze frame, hold it, still pause it if you want to get the prices. Nice shady area. I will tell he's full of these little motto saying things. And I'll just walk past the restaurant, past the first pool I went to, back to reception, and I'll conclude the video there. So I'll say if you do like these kind of walkthrough videos, please do give me my channel a like and subscribe. It helps those looking for this kind of content, it brings it forward with the YouTube algorithm. Yeah, definitely getting the feel this is 100% a family type hotel. Lots of families with young children here. Let's walk through the restaurant. Nice big canopy. Keeps the rain off and the sun shines. Keep you cool. Howdy car. We got a big water slide going on here into a big pool. I'll come back on that on the other side in a moment. There we go. Another bar here. You want to freeze frame that, you can do, and just get an idea of what's going on. We have an all-inclusive menu as well. I think it's one of the few hotels in Khao Lak that does offer an all-inclusive. There we go, that's the all-inclusive. I know the Apsara does have an all-inclusive option. I spotted the gym, so I'll just give you a quick look through the gym. Yeah, a couple of people in, so I'll just give a quick look through the window. The running machines, some free weights. There we go. That's the gym. There we go, more happy signs. Little game of Wifi. Yeah, I didn't video this pool on the way in because it was just full of kids, so now it looks quite empty, so I'll just give you a quick overview of here. Here we go. So that's the big pool right next to reception. So once I get to reception, I'll conclude the video. So thank you for watching today's video. So it looks like this is a road that runs up between two kind of sides of the hotel. I'm just going to wander over here actually and see what's over there. I'm getting a feeling there's going to be another pool. So I think this road takes you straight back up to the main road in Khao Lak. Hello. So here you have reception. Got an on-site mini-mart. Yeah, big on inspirational inspirational comments. Yeah, and it looks like there's another pool over here, so I was right. Got a little kids' sandy play area. Little kiddies pool. There's a little kiddies club here. Not going to show you because it's full of kids. And there we go. These look like villa style accommodations. Okay, I'll end the video here actually. I think I've shown you everything, don't need to show you reception. So yet again, thank you for watching. And follow for more content like this.